Hello, Helen Chin-Lu here, certified reflexologist, certified energy medicine practitioner, Reiki master teacher, the owner of the Healing Place and the Healing Place Energy School. A YouTube subscriber asked me, Helen, I need help with hypertension. He wrote to me 2 times, so I feel like I need to respond. So I decided to do a foot reflexology tip. This reflexology tip could only be done if your hypertension is controlled by medication. All right, and this is not in substitution of your doctor's care. So so that's my disclaimer right now. So if you have questions about this method, talk to your doctor, but this is not in substitution. But I am going to show you what to do if you are taking medication right now and what you could do on your feet. So here we are. We're going to focus. I'm going to write on Robin's foot. She may not be happy, but that's okay. We're going to talk about the diaphragm line. And here, you want to focus in this whole area. Your heart reflex point is right about here. Obviously, the goal is not to make the blood flow too quickly. You want it to be very gentle. So what we're going to do, using your thumb, you can use the tip while you're supporting your foot. You're going to gently walk this area. That's her solar plexus right there. And then you're going to gently walk the whole entire chest. Not only will this address hypertension, it's also respiratory, breast area. There's a whole bunch of things that goes on in this component of the foot. And then once you're done with this area, you're going to repeat this whole method on the other foot in exactly the same area. And you're going to repeat this method 3 times. And you're going to go nice and slow and just note where there's inconsistency of tissue, hardness, crunchiness, and you're just going to continue to advance your thumb down. So this is my reflexology tip to address hypertension. This is Helen Chin-Lu from the Healing Place. I wish you a good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.